How to make your laptop run like new, again. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your laptop and make it feel brand new again, just like when you first bought it. So if your computer's been running slow or full of clutter, follow along step by step and I'll show you how to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Start menu and type Settings. When the Settings app appears, go ahead and open it. Now on the left-hand side, click System. Scroll all the way down until you find Recovery and click on that. Next, to reset this PC, click the Reset PC button. You'll now see two options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. If you choose Remove Everything, your laptop will delete all your personal data, files, and apps, basically giving you a completely clean system. If you choose Keep My Files, Windows will remove all your apps and settings, but your personal files like photos and documents will stay safe. For this video, I'm going to select Keep My Files, but if you want a full wipe, you can go ahead and pick Remove Everything. Now you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. You'll see two options again: Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. I recommend Local Reinstall because it's faster and doesn't need an internet connection. You can also click Change Settings if you want to customize a few more reset options. Once that's done, click Next and wait a few seconds while your PC prepares to reset. You'll see a summary showing that your settings will return to their defaults, your apps will be removed, and Windows will reinstall. If you want to see which apps will be deleted, click View Apps that will be removed to check the full list. When you're ready, just hit Reset. Your laptop will restart and begin the reset process automatically. And that's it. Once it's done, your laptop will feel completely fresh, just like new. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and let me know.